Umuahia. Umuahia City. Umuahia City is a colonial city and the capital of Abia State. This state is significant in the southeast for several reasons and for the roles it played during the Nigerian Biafra Civil War. The city also hosts the National War Museum and the ingenious Ojukwu, which happens to be one of the most toured destinations in Umuahia. The city boasts of a very calm and serene environment with good road network and connectivity that rivals that of any state in Africa. Aba is also renowned for its hospitable people who are welcoming and a good host to visitors in the state. Please subscribe, like and share this video to see more videos like this. Owerri City. Owerri City, also known as Old Town, the Oringo Grove capital of not just the Southeast South-South, but Nigeria at large. Owerri City has the biggest nightlife in Nigerian cities. Some of Nigeria's leading nightlife CEOs started in Owerri before opening a branch or two in Lagos. It's also an open secret that Owerri City has the highest numbers of hotels, lounges, bars, relaxation and event centers than any other city in Nigeria. The cleanliness of the city and its serenity sets it apart and above the competition. Simply put, Old Town is the Las Vegas of Nigeria, firmly taking a seat amongst the best cities in Nigeria. Onitsha City. Onitsha City is a colonial city and one of the oldest cities in Nigeria. The city has many multi-rise buildings for its middle-class residents. It is dubbed the city with the most multi-story buildings in sub-Saharan Africa. It also holds the title as the city with the largest market in sub-Saharan Africa. Onitsha has a thing for leaving a legacy for other cities to trail. The Onitsha main market in Onitsha City easily outnumbers every market in Nigeria as the biggest. Hence, it is tagged the biggest market in sub-Saharan Africa by size and volume of goods. Data from Nigerian customs suggest that 60% of the goods coming into Nigeria head to Southeast. This tells you that Onitsha is indeed a hub of trade and commerce in sub-Saharan Africa. If you have gotten to this part of the video, it means you are enjoying the video. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment in the comment section to see more interesting videos. Aba City. Aba City, another commercial city in Nigeria, hosting Ariaria International Market, also one of the biggest markets in Nigeria. The city also hosts many multi-story buildings just like Onitsha. The city hosts the best housing cluster for middle class in Nigeria. No city in Nigeria can rival Aba with its beautiful neighborhood, grid layout, multi-story buildings and good clean roads. Aba City easily slaps the competition in the middle class housing race. No city in Nigeria rivals Aba's grip in quality housing for its majority of the middle class. Enugu City. Enugu City, the capital of Enugu State, is a state known for its modest lifestyle, social life, and good hospitality. Enugu City has some of the best estates in Nigeria. Only estates in Abuja and a few in Lagos can rival those in Enugu. Estates in Enugu come with good road networks, paved roads, pedestrian walkways, parks and gardens, street lights, serene environment, and many more. Estates in Enugu are not waterlogged and they are not prone to flood. This is because Enugu sits beautifully on a hill, from which it derives its name. New smart cities and estates being developed in Enugu will join other beautiful areas like Zoo Estate and Centenary City to widen the city's lead in real estate development in Africa.